Hi, this is the Pre-Calculus Assignment 26. We're looking at problem number 1. So we're doing long division of polynomials. And so we're going to take the n cubed plus 12n squared plus 23n plus 14 and write it under the division bar, and the n plus 2 and write it outside. Then I check to make sure none of my exponents are missing. I've got 3, 2, 1, 0. So I don't need to fill in any placeholders. And then we're going to start by dividing. So n goes into n cubed, n squared times. So I wrote the n squared above this n squared. Then you multiply. So you multiply the n squared times the n, and that gets you n cubed in green. And then n squared times 2 gets you 2n squared. Then you subtract, which I did in red. So I added the minus and the minus here. So n cubed minus n cubed is 0. And 12n squared minus 2n is 10n squared. Then I bring down. So I brought down the 23n right here. And then you go back to divide. N goes into 10n squared, 10n times. Then you multiply. 10n times n is 10n squared in green. 10n times 2 is 20n. And then you subtract, which I did in red and red. So these guys subtract each other and they go to 0. 23n minus 20n is 3n. Bring down that last 14, and then you divide again. So n goes into 3n 3 times, so I wrote my plus 3 up here above the numeric part, and then you multiply. 3 times n is 3n, 3 times 2 is 6, and then you subtract. 3n minus 3n is 0, 14 minus 6 is 8, and 8 is your remainder. So you just write the 8 over the divisor of n plus 2, and you're done with your answer.